Every day, we process a massive amount of fragmented data, scattered articles, and contradictory research. But with the right system, you can pull that raw information together into a single, organized source of truth. By the end of this workflow, you will build a fully sourced, formatted market research page completely from scratch. This engine functions as a live search entity. Its primary objective is to retrieve and verify real-time data, rather than predicting the next likely word in a sentence. Standard searches often stop at quick answers. Power users leverage the engine to coordinate a multi-step research process, providing exact constraints to guide the output. You need 3 things to follow along: an active Perplexity account, a specific research topic, and a reference document, like a recent CSV or a PDF earnings report. Producing professional-grade output requires adopting the rigorous framework of an intelligence analyst. You set the rules, and the engine executes the heavy lifting. Step 1 is configuring the engine's baseline behavior. Head into your Global Settings menu. Turn on Direct Answers and select your foundational model. Choose Claude for highly creative, qualitative tasks, or switch to Gemini if you are analyzing heavy numerical datasets. Step 2. Create a dedicated space. Think of this as a distinct workspace to house all context for one specific project. Inside this new space, upload your proprietary document directly into the system. This space physically isolates the AI's context. It creates a contained environment, forcing the engine to weigh the wider internet strictly against your authorized file. Any subsequent question you ask inside this space will automatically inherit the constraints and data from your uploaded document. By defining these strict boundaries, you ground the model's logic in your authorized parameters, which keeps the output anchored to your provided evidence. Step 3 is extraction. Standard queries ask vague questions like, "Tell me about AI." We are going to trigger a deep research protocol instead. A professional prompt requires 4 non-negotiable variables: a designated role, granular detail, a specific time frame, and an exact output format. Toggle Deep Research on, paste your structured prompt, and execute. The engine actively scans, verifies, and indexes hundreds of live sources. Look at the immediate structural benefits here. The system generates the exact data table you requested and embeds chronological citations directly into the text. Keep the momentum going. We need to push the analysis further by executing a targeted follow-up prompt in the exact same thread. Instruct the engine to take the market data it just generated and compare it directly against the specific risks detailed in your uploaded PDF. The engine synthesizes the live, real-time web data with your private file context, exposing correlations you would have missed by reading them separately. Merging real-time web extraction with private data context creates a cross-referenced intelligence report tailored to your specific project. Step 4 is assembly. Use the system's conversion tool to instantly reformat your linear chat thread into a cohesive, readable document. This interface shows a raw, utilitarian chat log on the left and how it translates into a clean, Notion-style summary page on the right. Before you publish this, you have one critical failure point to address. You must manually verify the top citations. Click the embedded citation links, audit the engine's logic, and confirm that the source material accurately supports the claims in your report. In just a few prompts, you've indexed dozens of sources and cross-referenced them with private data, completing a research cycle that typically requires hours of manual labor. If you found this workflow efficient, hit subscribe and share your most effective prompt structures in the comments below. Mastering this sequence allows you to coordinate multiple data streams and automate the most tedious aspects of the research process.